Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1084, and today's topic is the application of boron derivatives in pharmaceutical industries. As we know, boron in periodic table is falling in group 5 element, and it has 5 atomic number. And if we see the structure of boron, boron is having 2 here in first, and this in second one there are 3 electrons. So boron can form, it is having 3 valency, means it can accommodate 3 different atoms to form the derivatives. And boron is metaloid, means it is in between the properties, chemical properties of non-metal and metals. It's intermediate property, that's why it is called metaloid. It is having little lustre, and its powder is brown, amorphous, and there are lot of derivatives of boron. For example, one we call it borax. The other one, that is borax, is also one of the derivatives, that is sodium borate, and the other is boric acid, then boron nitride, boron carbide. A lot of derivatives are there, but here we are mainly concerned with boric acid derivative, because this is very much medicinal and it has lot of pharmaceutical uses in all the pharmaceutical industries. Boric acid is widely used as a source of antiseptic, antifungal, and also it is used as pesticide, insecticide. 1% solution of boric acid is used, is a mild form, and if it is 5% solution is used, it is strong, and it can directly damage the nervous system or brain of the insects. In this way they are killed. But some of the insects like mice and other insects like moths, they are not killed by the action of boric acid. Boric acid is widely used in different preparations like eye drop, then ear drop, nasal drop, and lot of skincare products. It is widely used. It is antiseptic, antibacterial, antifungal, and the very important use of boric acid nowadays is to treat the yeast. It is called yeast infection, that is vaginal infection, and yeast infection is very common in female, where they get vaginal itching, burning, leakings, lot of problem, and it is because of the growth of yeast in that area. And once it is treated with the boric acid preparation in the form of gel or mixing with aloe vera, some preparation I will give, that is widely used to treat the yeast infection. So here let me give you the boric acid. Here I want to clear the confusion, because some of the students, they ask me the question that, sir, is there any difference in borax and then that is baking soda or baking powder? So I have given the structure and formula here. Baking soda and that is borax, they are different. Borax is the derivative of sodium of boron, that is called sodium borate, commonly called as borax, which has 9 pH, 9.5 pH, and formula structure is given here. And in the case of that is baking soda. So baking soda is sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, and the pH is 8. So first difference is that both are quite different in structure and formulation. One is boron here and otherwise only that is sodium, and the pH is different. In one case it is more alkaline, that is borax. Both are having cleaning effect. They are used as a cleaning agent, that is all correct, but one is more alkaline, one is less alkaline, one is the derivative of boron and other one is that is sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is sodium bicarbonate. So that is about, I have already given here, baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, or we may call it sodium hydrogen carbonate. pH is 8 and it is less alkaline, and the structure is given here, and this is your formula and this is your structure. In the case of borax, it is sodium borate and pH is 9.5, is more alkaline, and the structure is given here and formula is given here. Now come to what is baking powder. Actually baking powder and baking soda, there is a difference in that, because there is some additive in the case of baking powder, because baking powder is widely used to bake the cake, and in that case in the same sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, little acidic substance is added. So with that acid substance, once it is used to bake, it will react and there will be production of carbon dioxide gas, and that carbon dioxide gas, once it is produced, it will help in baking and spongy mass will be produced. That is the difference. Otherwise both are same. If suppose you are taking a pinch of sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, it will work because with this ionization with water and some carbon dioxide gas will be produced. But in the case of baking soda, already some mild acid is added, so that once it is going to baking material like flour with water, immediately the carbon dioxide gas will be produced. So here number 1, boron, the symbol is B, capital B, and it is in crystalline form, atomic number 5, it belongs to group 5 elementary periodic table, and that is, it is metaloid, means it is the intermediate of non-metal and metal. It is lustrous. Lustrous means it gives metallic type of shining. That shining is the sign of metal, but its property, it is, that's why it is called metaloid. It has both property in intermediate, metal as well as non-metal. That's why it gives the shining color, that is called lustrous. Metaloid is amorphous in powder form. It is trivalent and can form covalent bonding, resulting to give different type of derivatives, and these derivatives are like sodium borate, commonly known as borax, then boron carbide, boron nitride, and boric acid. Here in the pharmaceutical industries, mainly the boric acid is widely used. That's why I will be concentrating on boric acid and its uses in pharmaceutical industries. And number two, boric acid is the main derivative of boron, and these are the other names of boric acids which are widely used globally, like it is also known as hydrogen borate and boric acid, orthoboric acid, and sesolide. So these are all the names of boric acid. Boric acid is made out of borax. Number three, boric acid is lethal for insects, and 1% solution of boric acid is enough to damage the nervous system and brain of the insects. And if in case you want very quick action, you can use up to 5% solution of boric acid solution. It is acid can damage the brain and nervous system of the insect. Number four, boric acid will not kill the following insects like ticks, bed bugs, lice, spiders, beetles, flies, and moths. Boric acid is poisonous in large quantity to human beings once it is taken internally. So here I have given some lot of preparation of different type of products by using boric acid. So they are given here. And number five, boric acid is used globally in pharmaceutical industries for A, preparation to treat yeast infections, B, to treat bacterial, fungal, and also as an antiseptic, C, used to prepare eye and ear drop solution, D, it is used in cancer treatment like melanoma and prostate cancer, E, it is used to prepare cold sore ointment and also ointment to treat acne control, F, it is used as supplement preparation to treat bone disorder like osteoarthritis. Bone plays very important role for our bone health to make it strong. G, it is used as fertilizer because boron is one of the nutrient of plant. And 6 is boric acid helps to promote the proper acid balance in vagina, and if there is proper acid balance pH of vagina, then the growth of yeast infection is thoroughly checked. It is used to treat yeast infections of vagina and give relief from itching, burning, and leaking of vagina. Number 7, boric acid is widely used in skincare products and in preparation of lot of cosmetics. Note, I have given one very important preparation product of this boron derivative, that is called isoboric acid. Isoboric acid, it is mixed with aloe vera. It's a very important preparation, and that is isoboric acid with aloe vera. Is used to treat vaginal yeast infection, and it is very effective. But before use, you should consult your gynecologist, your doctor, and follow their advice. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.